Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So I gathered you all of here to... Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So I've gathered you all here to conduct a box meeting for to perform pressure deflection due to the increase of our bearings this morning. So second engineer.
So, okay, with regards to that information, so the first thing we're going to discuss is our PPE. So, as I have observed, we have already been equipped for our wearing the proper PPE needed. So, another thing to discuss is with regards to managing or minimizing the risks with regards to the work. So, I would like to input first that there is a possibility of unintentional starting of our turning gear. So we need to properly secure or check where our hands are being put while working. So yes, third engineer.
As a safety precaution also, we need to maintain proper ventilation. And to do that, we need to use blowers to maintain 20.8% level of oxygen.
Okay, so that is another thing to consider. So with regards to that, I have already assumed that you have already checked and understood what needs to be done in the manual, as you have already been notified of this situation. So,
And I already informed the bridge for our work so that they will be notified for the job that we need to be done.
thank you for that, Chief.
Sir,
Yes, Cadet?
so I have already performed the locking and tagging out of all starting mechanism for the job, and also check and prepare the tools and spares that we are needed.
So, thank you for your initiative, Cadet. So,
Yes, sir.
with that being handled, we are now going to divide the work so that we can properly execute the
Also,
work.
second engineer, I already secured a working permit for our required job.
Thank you, Chief. So, with regards to dividing the works, so I will perform or document all the measurements being taken. So, yes, third.
So let me assist you, sir, during the operation of taking of measurements.
Okay, so I would also like the cadet to be present so that we can learn something regards to taking the crankshaft deflections. So, I think that is all. So, Chief, is everything important have been discussed?
I guess everything is discussed and well said, so now let's proceed to our working area.
Okay. Malgat.